Hello, this is Anne talking to you. I'm a seller from Zhongshan J&S Lighting Company. Before, we do a live stream in our Guangzhou office, and today I will be here to do the live stream for you. And we have 6th floor, the factory, and it is more than 3,000 square meter. It has different area for different parts. And now let's go to see together. The first part I want to show you is about our customer design logo service. We do this for free because we are the factory. We can give you the manufacturer price and more than 3,000 style. This is for our customer logo. We do it for free. Yeah. As you can see, this is a small warehouse or put in the customer goods. They are waiting to be loaded container. And in addition, we will print the light style outside and then let you see what you want and which light in the which package. And next part is our office, small office. Let's go. This is our logo, J&S Lighting. Yeah, come to see. This is a small office for our factory workers. Let's go together. And you will see be here in the first showroom. We have different parts of here.